The temperatures are starting to drop. 65 outside, 73 inside. That's a good indicator because yeah, it was set to 74 and I'm looking forward to it. And it is day 20 of the Advent calendars. Going to open our 20th coffee. Now tonight, since I could not drink last night, I will be doing the 19th and the 20th of the wine and cheese. I also want to show you something I got in the mail yesterday. And so yeah, let's start this adventure today. Alrighty then, number 20. Ooh, maple cinnamon. That sounds cool. And I have cinnamon creamer I can put in this. I am going with this today because it expires in January, so I better start drinking it. All right, taste test. Only has creamer. Oh, that's interesting. You can definitely taste the maple and the cinnamon. And I don't think it needs any more sweetener. It's good just the way it is. Very cool. All right, let me show you what I got in the mail yesterday. So the company that makes these passports sent me this. Well, you explore the new cafe, you rate your experience, and write down your thoughts. And this one is all the Tampa cafes that they put in here. Some of them I've been to, some of them I haven't. So it's going to be interesting. So I am going to slowly go to each of these and give my my review about, you know, the coziness of it, if it's workable, whether the coffee is good or not, if they have breakfast available. So yeah, I thought it was very cool. So thank you to the Tampa Cafe Passport Company. If you're interested, the company's name is Cafe Passport on Instagram. They've done a few other cities too, so you might want to go check them out. I keep track of the countdown on my shelf above my desk. And look at that, 5 days till Hanukkah and Christmas because they start the same day. Hanukkah not until sundown, but then you have Christmas during the day. I can't believe it's already the 20th of December. How crazy. It went so fast. This is the coolest Christmas tree. This is at the Epicurean Hotel, which is across from the famous Burns Steakhouse. And this is the store I'm going into. This is what I came for. Burns Coffee is the best coffee, just so you know. And that was my quick trip to the Epicurean to get some coffee. One for us and one as a gift. I'm on my way back up to North Tampa. Okay, have you guys ever played the Saran Wrap game? If you have not, I'm going to show you how I do it. So basically, you need Saran Wrap. I'm actually going to use 2, and I've got assorted stuff to put in that I found, like, you know, stuff from the dollar store. I actually went to a Family Dollar, and not everything was $1 there. A lot of stuff was more, like this was more. But I found random stuff. I also went to the Target spot, found that. I thought that was kind of cute. I got this at Target, this at Target. I found naughty and nice Tic Tacs, which I thought were adorable. I also was throwing in some gift cards, some scratch-off lottery tickets. And what you do is you start with one item and you roll it, and then you slowly add more and more items. And then when you play the game, you put on oven mitts, which is new to me. I've not played this game with the oven mitts. And then I think it goes clockwise. Let's say I'm holding the oven mitts and I'm trying to unwrap it. The person next to me is rolling the dice. And as soon as they get doubles, I have to stop. And then everything passes to the left where the next person gets the gloves and the other person next to them gets the dice. And again, the person tries to unroll. And if you get something while you're unrolling it, you get to keep it. And at the end, you get to see who gets what or whatever. And it's just going to be a lot of fun. Some people are going to get stuck with just like a lint roller. And then some people may get a gift card or a scratch off. So it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to set up the tripod so you can see as I make it. So this is what I have so far. I still have a lot of items left, but I think I'm gonna start wrapping in the opposite direction to make it look more like a ball. Right now it doesn't look like a ball, it looks like a rectangle. But that's the way the shape of some of these things are. So I think I'm gonna start doing it the other way and add more things in as I go along, and then maybe switch back and forth. I'll show you the final result, but basically you get the idea. You just keep wrapping stuff until you have a giant ball. And it's gonna be a lot of fun, especially when you're trying to unwrap it with oven mitts on. It should be hilarious. Okay, it took me, I did some before dinner and some after, so I wanna say this took me about 30 to 40 minutes. This is a lot. There's about 19 different things wrapped up inside. You can see like a little bit there. You can see a little bit there. So yeah, I don't know how fast people are gonna be able to unroll it with the gloves on, the oven mitts, but when I've played this before, there were not oven mitts used, and it went pretty fast. So I'm hoping that 300 square feet of saran wrap will be enough and make it last a little longer. We're actually doing this on Christmas Day because it's Christmas Day and Hanukkah starts that same night, so we're celebrating both. And yeah, it should be a fun day. So you won't be able to see this get unwrapped unless for some reason I turn the video camera on, but I kind of want it just to be a family day. But this is a great game if you need something to do with your family. I bought most of my stuff at the dollar store, and I found a couple of things around the house that I had put away for gifts that I threw in there, or stuff that I had that's brand new that I'll never use. So yeah, it ended up being 19 items in here, maybe 20, but I'm pretty sure it's 19. So now it's time to check out the wine and cheese for today and yesterday. So let's go check out which wines. All right, first off, number 19. I think it's gonna be a white. Yeah, I'm right. A buttery Chardonnay would be lovely. A white blend. Interesting. It's from Hungary. Okay, so that's the 19. 20 then will probably be red. Yeah, it looks dark. Maybe Pinot Noir or red blend. It's a red blend from Portugal. All right, let's go see what cheeses match up. Okay, first let's check out number 19 to see what the white blend consists of. Aromas of citrus, green apple, and white flowers. On the palate, crisp acidity, flavors of lemon pear, and a hint of minerality. Last time when I had minerality, it tasted like the Abarino. That's like a Spanish wine. And this one is from Hungary. All right, then the red blend from Portugal is supposed to have flavors of rich fruit flavors, touch of oak. The region it's from crafts Temperillos, and some of those other ones I don't understand. Deep fruit flavors, earthy undertones. All right, we'll have to see what it tastes like. Let's check out the cheese. Clearly I screwed up because I cannot find 19, but I have an 18. So I opened the wrong one. So we're just gonna go with it and pretend like the 18 is supposed to go with the white wine, which is 19, which is an aged Gouda. I don't know how that happened, but it did. And then the 20 is right here, and that's with the red wine. And the red wine is being paired with the bruschetta. Well, that makes sense because red with bruschetta would make sense. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go with the flow on this one because I didn't realize I messed up. All right, first I'm going to try the white. I could taste that minerality, which I'm not liking very much. It's the wrong cheese, but we're gonna try it anyway. I'm probably gonna dump the white though. The cheese actually doesn't, because you have to understand, I bought these cheeses in November. And I don't know, this one's tasting like it's old. See, it's kind of hard. I think I'm gonna chuck the cheese too. Next one is the red blend. It's been out for a little bit, so it smells good. It's got oakiness to it for sure. Ooh, I like that one. This one is the one from Portugal. And then the bruschetta cheese. Good cheese. And it's not hard like the other one. That's a really good pairing. Okay, I'm gonna drink the red. I'm gonna chuck the white. All right, well, this was a very fun day. And we only have 4 days left. 21, 22, yep, 4 days left. I can do math. All right, well, tomorrow night is when we're going to a tiki tour of 2 bars. I'll be making some arts and crafts. There's supposed to be a s'mores dessert bar of some kind. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And of course, I'll start off in the morning with my coffee. So, until tomorrow, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.